Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. And from time to time we get questions about 67 through 9 Camaro Firebird and 68 through 74 Novas about lowering. How far can I go? Can I use a drop spindle, not use a drop spindle? What are my options? Well, there's several ways of doing it. You can use a hybrid coilover system where it has a conical wound spring which goes directly into the frame, drops on down to a coilover at a 2.5-inch ID base, and you can raise and lower your car that way. One of the situations with that, though, is you start limiting the amount of shock travel that you have, and so your spring rates are going to have to go up in order to do that. Of course, the drop spindle, like we were discussing just a second ago, they don't want to do that. One of the reasons why they don't want to do the drop spindle is because now it limits you on your rim. You can't run a lot of backspace, especially if you want to do a 15. Some guys are going for that particular look. A lot of times you'll have to do a 17 or an 18, and generally it's an 18 to get around the steering knuckle arm when you're running the 2-inch drop spindle. Some guys don't want to do that. So how are you going to lower the vehicle down and, let's say, decide to run a 15, whatever. What we've done is we've got this particular kit on the table here is a COF 79 kit, and there's a lot of advantages to this. The COF 79 kit will fit all those applications, the 679 Camaro Firebird, 68 through 74 Nova. There is a frame modification you're going to be doing because you're going to be putting these mounts in. But what it does, it allows you to go to a full coilover shock spring combination and extend the travel of the shock. You're going to be raising it up, as you see right here, which allows you to lower the vehicle down and still maintain shock travel. So the beauty of this here is you've got an adjustable shock for ride height, which coilover is going to give you. The spring rates are available in a variety of rates. You're not limited. Some of the conical wound springs are limited on what rates you can do. When you go to a full coilover application like this, the door opens wide open for any spring rate you're pretty much looking for. So this particular mount, the COF 79, requires a frame modification, like I said earlier. We give you bump stops, the hardware necessary, and we actually did a video on how to install. You can actually check that out online. One thing it will require, though, is a tubular control arm. These will not work with a stock control arm. So obviously we make tubular control arms for these applications. It's a CTA 79A. There's a lot of companies that build tubular control arms for the Camaro and Firebird market. As long as it's a tubular arm, you should be okay for the clearance right here. Like I said, stock arms, not going to happen. Can't do it. COF 79, check it out on our web. If you got any questions, give us a call. We'll walk you through it. And for our installation video, go to how to install a COF 79 on a Camaro or Firebird.